what nature gives today. This is Kate, and today she's exploring
Wala, I
nature.
look like a dream. Oh.
Let's just agree she does. She takes her time, doesn't she? While she's at it. Exploring nature doesn't always mean going far. Sometimes it's just appreciating the simple things around us. The trees, the fruits, and the little pieces of nature already in our own community. Together with her cousin James, they eat fresh sampalok. If you asked her what made today better, she'd probably say, finally taking time to go outside, breathe, and even touch the grass for once. Sometimes the best part of the day is just being present.
Oh.
Or being pretty. Haha. Her cousin Carl also joined. Now to bid her farewell, as she will go explore more. She also wants to share her day with you and hope you are not getting bored. Another fresh fruit. May I ask, what's your favorite fruit of all time? Kate's favorite fruit is avocado and frozen grapes. Although she does like all fruit and hope she could eat it as a snack. Earlier, before she had taken this video, she did crafts and it also makes her day better. They also like spicy stuff, don't they? I see lots of chili.
Sana all sweet.
What a sweet couple. Let's let them cook. I mean eat. She definitely like it. We could see from her gestures. The day continues, but this video ends here. She hopes that you were just as blessed as she is today. To friends from Kate.
Bakit